Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing devices. Make sure Vmix and your phone app support the chosen input method, because compatibility prevents wasted steps. Once done, connect both phone and PC to the same local network. This reduces latency and packet loss. Then open Vmix and enable NDI and Vmix call or web controller as required. These options let Vmix discover your phone stream. You do this now so discovery and addressing happen smoothly, avoiding later troubleshooting and saving time when you next configure the specific connection method. If you choose NDI, launch the NDI HX app, set resolution to 720p or 1080p for balance of quality and bandwidth, then start the stream so Vmix can detect it. If using Vmix call, create a call, copy the link, open it on the phone, and allow camera and microphone. Vmix will automatically add the incoming caller. If using web controller, enter the PC IP in the phone browser and select camera mode. Once started, add the source in Vmix. Finally, add the phone feed into your Vmix inputs, assign audio to the correct bus, and sync video with any external sources by adding delay if necessary. Once in, adjust framing, scale, or apply chroma settings and save a preset so setting up next time is fast. If you run into problems, first verify PC firewall rules and that app and Vmix versions match. Then restart the phone app and Vmix. If instability persists, move to a wired or 5 GHz connection to reduce dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.